Ladies and gentlemen, here's where you sit to drive the easy way in a push-button swept-wing dive. Now, let's show you how it works. Well, the first step is that button N, easy way to start. Next step, button D, another simple part. Then slide away automatically, almost imperceptibly. You just lean back and turn that wheel. The button drives out of the vehicle. For reverse, touch the button R. Oh, which button part? Best by far. Button 1, that's for power and low. Button 2 takes you downhill. Oh. Well, that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. That's push-button drive, and that's how you do it. You see your dealer. Give it a try. And a swept-wing Dodge is a car you buy. Why settle for less? Why pay more? Get all the car you're paying for. That's swept-wing Dodge. Swept-wing Dodge. That's swept-wing 58 Dodge.